Today I'm going to show you how to put the upholstery onto our backrest. So first, locate the tabs, the Velcro tabs on both the upholstery and the backrest. There should be 2 on each one. Secondly, recline the backrest all the way until it is level with the floor, so even pressure can be applied downwards on it. Thirdly, just line up the tabs of the upholstery with the tabs on the backrest and simply just press down, and you should hear an audible click when the tabs are in place. Okay. Just give it a little wiggle so all the Velcro hooks are attached evenly and your upholstery is installed.